All right, guys, 2022 Dodge Charger GT V6. Took them two and a half hours to get here. Anyways, what we got done: factory converter, factory flex pipe, factory X pipe. Then what we did, took both mufflers off, mid mufflers, and replaced them with two beautiful Magnaflow Magnapacks. Part number 10415, right there. Then 2 1/4 continues. Then we did a rear resonator delete there and right there. And then finished it off with some sexy purple Natami tips. If you guys can see the top, there it is. Right there, look at that. It just completes the car. Very sexy, very nice. See them, guys? I like them. Let me know if you guys like them. I like that color. And it just accents the blue really nice. It gives it that exotic look. So there they are, right there. There'll be a link in the description for them too. 2.5 inlet, 3.5 inch outlet. There'll be a link in the description for them, guys. And here's the two resonators that were on it. There, with the factory tips. And there, really ugly, really outdated. We took them off. And there's the mids that were on it right there that we took off also. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and watch a bunch of our other videos. That's what they sound like. Very nice. Very nice. What do you think, bro? You like it? Yes. Here's sound decibels. Perfect. 2022 Charger GT high output V6. Let's see the sun. Very nice. Really nice stance to it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Charger GT with Magnapacks, rear delete, and some sexy Natami tips to accent it. Look at that. It's very nice. I like them. I like them. Nice idle to it too. Oh gosh, that sounds so good. Look at those, it got marbles, got little farts. Enjoy, guys. Second drive off just for you, shoot. Enjoy, guys.